This is the Zoom 65 V3 and it's packed with 7 different mounting methods. Yeah, but the question on everyone's mind is, do these mounting styles actually make a difference in typing feel and sound, or should Melotrix have gone with the less is more mantra? I'd say the answer lies somewhere in between. Now to test this, I needed to build a keyboard without any foam modifiers, but since the 1.2mm PCB has flex cuts, it wouldn't represent the true potential of these mounting styles since flex cuts tend to thin the overall sound the case can produce. So I reached out to Melotrix and they were kind enough to send out a 1.6mm PCB without the flex cuts, and I've tested each mounting style and I'm happy to say you can actually feel and hear the difference between each style. I wouldn't say that they are vastly unique from one another, but you can hear the difference, some in the alphas, some in the mods, and some in the spacebar. So here are all the sound tests, and I'll sprinkle my notes for each one throughout each test. And at the end, I have them all in rapid fire to help you hear the difference. So if this video helps you guys, go ahead and tap that like button. And if you really love the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Now a quick note on the Maglev mount. Now this will probably be the mounting style that most people will want to try first because it's so unique. But it's also the one mounting style that I do not recommend going foamless. The typing feel without any foams is, well, violent. Yeah, so I do recommend using the bottom case foam. It really helps stabilize the PCB plate assembly and you don't hear it knocking around the case. Check it out. Okay, enjoy the rest of the typing test. I think Melotrix did a great job with introducing many different mounting styles, but I would like to see them go with the less is more mantra in the future. Maybe work on 3 mounting styles and make them absolutely perfect, and I think people will be very happy with that. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.